Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Steam profile private. Making your Steam profile private helps protect your personal information, game activity, and friend list. So, in order to do that, open your Steam application on your device and log in. From the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, and from your profile section, tap on View Profile at the top. Now from the Community tab, click on Edit Profile. On the next page, tap on Privacy Setting from the left-hand menu, and right next to My Profile, tap the drop-down and click on Private. Soon after you do that, all of your game details, friend list, inventory will be set as private. This lets you hide specific sections while keeping others visible. You can also go ahead and adjust your privacy for the specific sections, and once you are done, you can get back to the home page. Your profile privacy updates immediately. So that is how you successfully make your Steam profile private. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.